clean interior. Kind of dirty. So this one's just an interior. It is all beautiful leather. It's a Beamer. They said that next week we're gonna, oh yeah, love that logo. Pretty dirty, not too bad. Just a nice little refresh. We're gonna put ceramic protection on the leather, full clean on the inside. Nothing major. This is all debris. I use this to blow out all the debris, make it easier. And then I use this to agitate the carpet to get all that, you see all that mess? So right here I start from the top. And you see how they got holes right here, it got pores, all that dust with the air. I vacuum. Right now I gotta be careful. I move this, and then I use this drill to agitate. It's not vacuuming. I just wanna. The fibers got dirt, so this is gonna agitate and this is gonna help blow it out. I didn't even vacuum, it's already. And then I vacuum. And I still gotta clean, but this is just, I'm just getting all the nasty stuff out. And then once I finish, I'll do another vacuum at the end. This one I'm not trying to get it perfect, I'm just trying to get most of the debris out. screen and delicate areas. Clean. I finished cleaning the interior. Now I'm gonna add interior ceramic interior protection. So I give it a couple sprints. I already sprint, so I'm gonna just give it one more. And you can use different applicators, but this is what I use. I'm gonna put it all over. Like ceramic coating, baby, but for interior. So I cover the whole area, and I'm not shy with the product. You just basically cover the whole area. This helps maintain the car looking clean. I mean, sometimes there's some little areas that are intricate, but you just try to apply the product everywhere. And there's no time. You got plenty of time to level it. So I'm just trying to get into these little nooks and crannies. And then I use a clean towel to level it. What I like about this product, it just leveled it with a towel. There you go. Now it got protected. I'm gonna do that on the whole interior. It looks good, and it gives a. Alright, I finished the interior. This is how it looks. BMW. We did a full clean. Came out amazing. Real nice. Look at that. And I put protection, interior ceramic protection. Look at that. Oh, it just feels right. BMW. Look at that. I just did the interior. Next week, we're gonna come by and do the exterior. Look at that. Came out great. There you go, boys. BMW, full interior. Alright, this is just an interior. Next week.
Oh my God.
So what do you think?
I love it. It looks brand new.
I call it the reset.
This is amazing.
So
Amazing, yes.
So you would use Corrals on a detail?
Oh, definitely.
Would you be, I like that BMW logo.
Yeah,
Would you use Corrals again?
absolutely.
There you go.
I'm gonna get your beanie hat.
Oh yeah.